Hey everybody, this is Danita coming to you live from Curl House, and today we have our lovely model Miss Amy, and we are doing curl definition, but this curl definition has a little bit of a spin. We are using hair wax or hair paint. I'm not sure which one they call it, but this one is actually called a hair wax. And anyway, we are applying this. It's a temporary color that you can put in your hair. And we've already put some in her hair. And you see she got a gold color. And so it gives her this really pretty gold shine on the end of it. And so we're applying it while it's wet. And then we're going to pop her under the dryer. So I want to show you how to apply it. And so what we're going to do is we've had the back section of her hair already sectioned off. We're going to create a horizontal part. Just like that. And then we're using a setting lotion. Today we're using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado setting lotion or mousse. I'm going to put a couple pumps on her hair. Now I'm going to start by fingering it through. And then I'm going to comb it, make sure we get all the tangles out. Some people prefer to use the raking method where you just do just like that and let it go. But I like to make sure that we've got all tangles out and it's nice and smooth. And if you saw, I took about that much of this hair wax. Can you see? And I rub it on the ends right after I've done the setting lotion, okay? So we're gonna put it on the ends, and we'll work it up as well because she wants it more than just on her tip. She kind of wants it like all throughout. So we're gonna put it in her hair sporadically to create a highlight look for her. And again, this is a temporary color, so it washes out very quickly. When it's time for her to shampoo, she'll be able to wash it out pretty quickly. Again, pump. I did the finger detangle, combed it through, and then I'm going to get just a little bit right here. I don't want to put too much of the gold in because she does want it to look like highlights. Okay? And then I'll just let it go, and then you'll come right back up. I'll let that section go just like it is. A couple of pumps here. Rake that through to finger detangle. Oh, excuse me. Perfect, just like that. And I actually let this section right here go without the highlights because again, we want it to look not too concentrated. Comb it through. And you also want to make sure that you wear gloves. It does wash off, but it could still make a mess. So make sure you have some gloves on. And I'll let that go. You see how beautiful her curls are? This is going to make one fabulous curl definition style. And that is how you do curl definition with hair wax. So we have applied the color to her whole head. We finished her curl definition as well. We're going to pop her under the dryer until her hair dries, and then we'll be back with the finished look. Okay, so we are back. This is Amy with her finished curl definition and her beautiful hair wax color that we've applied in. Her hair is dried now. So we have fluffed, we've done a little bit of shaping, and we've sprayed some oil in it. Now you want to make sure that you spray some oil in it because the wax or whatever could make it look a little bit drier. So just make sure you spray some oil in it, give it a final fluff, and here we have it. I'm going to spin her around so that you all can get a 360 view. And there you go. This is Danita coming from Curl House, and until we see you again, stay fabulous.